Okay, I'm at 10 Grand Corniche. This is in Lake Las Vegas. It's on South Shore, which is a guard-gated neighborhood. Celine Dion's one of the neighbors. Pretty beautiful area with the lake. And this home was built in '98, and a few years after, actually about 10 years after, some of the foundations started to crack, and so about a third of the house was absolutely solid. A third of the house had a little bit of pressure, and then a third of the house, just basically the kitchen area, dining room area, cracked, and part of the foundation sunk and it slid down somewhere in the ballpark of about 2 to 3 inches. But it caused enough damage on the house, so after the heirs, or the original people, passed away, the kids decided to go ahead and sell the house. They didn't want to put the work into it, and that's how we ended up buying it. And so we had to hire an engineering company and a foundation repair company, and we're going to end up being about $85,000 to $90,000 total in foundation work to get the house correct. And the engineers come out, certify the entire thing, so it's good for the next 100 years. And they ended up putting 37 piers down into the ground, and so the pier goes down all the way into bedrock. It screws into bedrock, and then it's hydraulic, and they hook it up to a machine, and it raises to the exact level that they need it. And so it's sitting, the home is actually solid and built all the way down, attached all the way into the bedrock, and so it's more solid at this point than a typical foundation house that's poured on concrete. So those piers go all the way around that foundation, and then a stem wall that goes down the middle. They also had to build up that stem wall. For the exterior of the home, we have by the way, we have about a 5,500 square foot home with a 3,500 square foot garage. And we have 6.5 bathrooms and 5 bedrooms. So it's a beautiful home. The coolest part about it definitely is the garage. 3,500 square feet of garage is not found too often in our town. And all in the home, not a detached garage, all physically in the home, so attached to the house. So on the front, we're replacing the door. It's a 5-foot door that comes in all the way up above it. We're going to line it with wood, and then these pillars behind me are going to be rocked, and so there's stone in the front and in the back, and some of the pillars also inside also have that same look. And then what we're standing on, all this concrete area, is going to be, so it's concrete now, but we're going to do paver stone over the top of the concrete. So the paver stones will have a solid foundation, but it'll give it a new, fresh look. And remember, this entire neighborhood in in Lake Las Vegas, this entire neighborhood is kind of a Tuscan look, and so the paver stones actually really look good. I mean, they fit the neighborhood. If you drive around, majority of our neighbors have paver stones as well. And then we'll redo the landscaping, throw in some additional palms, and fix it up, hoping to be about 6 weeks, hoping to be sometime in the month of February. Hopefully by the end of February, we are ready to put it on the market.